final policies or guidelines, then we would have covered almost everything. But as far as I hope that there is no adverse objection in putting the main event in the sports complex. That is the main issue here. We have consulted almost all the tribes, the business sector, the ERA, the restaurants, and it looks like they are okay, you know. And so parang before we roll it out, because after you leave this place, we can already consider it if there is no really adverse objections coming from the media that you have that some people would have told you about, then this will be starting today. It's really good to go.
That's how many percent sure na duha na lang ka judging areas ang gamito naton? Do we have preparations in case na hindi madayon ini duha ka judging areas? Are we also making preparations sa possible nga 4 judging areas na gamiton? Or naka-focus na kita sa duha na lang yun?
I think naka-focus na kami sa duha. But again, we want just to be sensitive on what are the objections of people are. You get it? We don't want to say that basta gusto naman mo, bahala kami kung di mo gusto yan, okay na lang yan. We want to see that you would have covered all forms of mga objections or issues, so that everybody will have a good experience on the Dinagyang itself.